deploying AI as a standalone tool rather than embedding into core systems like agency management systems or customer relations management systems creates this measurement gap, unfortunately, and it prevents them being tracked with KPIs or reflected in profit and loss. So the fragmentation makes it impossible for leadership to demonstrate the value of AI and the return on investment, but also leaves regulatory auditors unable to trace the decision trails required by OSFI's guideline E-23. To avoid this gap, organizations must move beyond use case trap of isolated pilots quickly as possible and build AI inside existing reporting workflows to ensure every automated action contributes to a single strategic source of truth. Unfortunately, deploying AI without assessing OPCs, principles, cross-border processing, data processing, addendum requirements, that also creates compliance gap for shadow AI. And for those who don't know, shadow AI is staff using confidential company and personal information into unapproved public AI tools to speed up their work. To minimize this compliance risk, and it's a big compliance risk, organizations must implement governance policies prohibiting public AI use with client information and provide secure business-grade alternatives that maintain audit trails with safeguards.